In this short tutorial, we're going to be looking at adding what's called a welcome bar. It's a little interactive bar that appears at the top of your browser window when the visitor goes to your website. It might be there to welcome them or highlight an offer or a certain promotion that you're running at the time. To do this, we need to have an account with AddThis. You can use the free account. You don't need to set up for a Premier account or anything like that where you're paying. You can do all of this within the free account. So first of all, go to addthis.com, and once you've created an account, go to the dashboard. And in the dashboard, you will see that there is a link to Tools in the top left hand side. If you click on Tools, you'll see the different marketing tools that they make available for you, and this is the one that we're looking at, is the welcome bar. So what we're going to do is we're going to create it. We're going to just put it into an example site so that you can see how it works. So first of all, we want to click on Setup. Here we get the chance to put in the text, choose the colors and things like that, and the positioning of that welcome bar. So I'm just going to put in some example data. I'm going to say that my audience is default, and we get some example text already in there for us. I'm going to say take advantage of our special offers, and we're going to make that a link through to a particular page within my site. I can then put in whether I want it to promote to a URL, which is what I'm going to do, but you can also have it so that they subscribe and they put in their email address, or so that they can share with social media, share this page through their social media networks. So next I have to add in the URL of the page that I want them to go to when they click on a button. So I'm going to make mine cutting edge photography so I'm making it go through to my contact page. Obviously, if you've set up pages that are specifically for a special offer, you would want to link through to that page, but I've set mine up to go through to http:// and then my domain name with the page that I want to go to. For you to find out a page within your website, if you go to Pages, on the right hand side of Pages you'll see Link, and in there it will show you the link to every one of your pages. So then we get the text that we want to put in the button. So I'm going to say take a look, and then we can choose the color that we want ours to be. Now obviously you'll want something that either blends with your site or is completely in contrast with your site, so that you can make it stand out to your visitors. For my example, I'm going to make it green. You can obviously make it whatever color you want it to be. Finally, we get the position of our welcome bar, and I'm going to leave mine on the top, and what color we want the text to be. So really the text needs to complement or contrast with the theme color that you've selected. So I'm going to leave mine on white, but you can choose white or black. And then it gives us the code. We don't need to do anything to actually get the code. It generates the code as we're going through and making our changes. So literally all we need to do is to highlight over all of the text and copy it, right click and copy, or Control C, Command C, and copy it to your clipboard. And in a moment we're going to be putting this on our website. So first of all we need to activate it, and now we're going to paste it in on our site. So log in to your account on the image file and go to your website, customize design, site layout, embed custom HTML. And in here you want to scroll down and paste it in to the second box where it says body start. So this is the second box. You'll see that there's 3 boxes on this page. You want it on the second box down. Just make sure that you've got some empty space and then paste in your script. Save all and then view your website as a visitor. So this welcome box will come in at the top of the page, so you can see it here. Take advantage of our special offers, take a look. And if I click on there, it's going to take me through to my contact page, because that's the page that we set it up on. It's very easy to set up, but it's a great way of just welcoming your visitor and maybe highlighting something to them so that it stands out when they first come to your site.